What if I told you there is a way to make money in crypto without predicting charts, using indicators or waiting for the next bull run? This method is called arbitrage trading. Alright, I'm going to brief you guys on the step-by-step guide on how to use arbitrage trading. I'll show you how to spot a real profit opportunity using Bybit, Bitcoin, or you can basically use Bybit, MEX, or you can use Binance and Bybit. And you need to have exchanges, and then you have to be very fast. Now, before I get into my mobile phone, I show you guys what to basically do. Crypto arbitrage is basically simple. This is a trading strategy where you can basically buy coin from a lower region in a particular exchange, and then you go to another exchange where they are selling that coin with a little price difference, and you can sell there and make profit from it. Now, for example, if they are selling a particular coin in KuCoin for over $100, and you go over to Bybit and you see that particular coin for $2, that $2 difference is basically your profit. So you can purchase these coins in KuCoin, send it over to Bybit and sell it off and make a profit from it. So I'm going to break this video down into step by step where I'll share with you guys how to basically utilize this for yourself. Now, most of these things that I just mentioned actually sound great. All right, now these are things you basically need to look out for. First things first is withdrawal delay. If you're sending altcoins from Binance or Bybit, they're going to be withdrawal or verifications which are going to be required. The next thing you basically need to look out for is basically transaction charges. These are withdrawal fees. Now, if you're sending out coins, that's also going to still be withdrawal fees. So it's best advisable you use stable coins and use high liquidity coins like Ethereum. All right. Now you can basically use Ethereum, Solana. Some of these coins are basically interesting to use in terms of arbitrage trading. All right. Then the next thing you basically need to look out for is limitation. If you do not have your KYC done or your KYC is not correct, you're basically going to be having limitation when you want to apply arbitrage trading into your spot. So you have to be very conscious of every single thing. So stick around. So I'm going to share with you guys more updates on this, and I hope you're enjoying this video. All right. So before you venture into arbitrage trading, all right, now this is something you need to basically know. If you come to my phone, you're going to see that I have KuCoin right here. I also have Bybit. And if you basically want any other exchange, I have Gate.io, I have Wix. So all these exchanges that I just mentioned right now, if you are sending into them, there is going to be verification. So the best thing is that maybe you can basically focus on Trust Wallet, having some stable coins in your Trust Wallet, because once you're sending from Trust Wallet, you're already paying for the charges there, and all it basically takes is just a few minutes. But if you're sending from Wix to Bybit, they are going to verify within these two exchanges before it gets to deposit into your account. So within those slight time, all right, that is when you're basically going to be able to make money with arbitrage trading. Now, the next thing you need to know again is that there's going to be an app that is going to help you to navigate your way. So this particular app is something that you can actually use. You can also make your own research. All right, now this particular app right here gets to give you arbitrage trade between different platforms. Now there is going to be a pro version of this particular app, all right, but you can basically use the free version. Now for here you can see this is within KuCoin and MEX, and you can basically see right now this is the name of the token, which is DAPEX USDT, and the percentage you're generating from it is just about $1.9, and you can see right here that your liquidity score is about 1.2. all right, if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to be seeing other exchange which are all provided right here, like BitGet to KuCoin. You can see different ones like Huobi to MEX. Any other exchanges are there that can offer you opportunities. Now there are higher ones like 1.6, 1.5, and if you want to get like 2% in profit, all right, so that means you're basically going to be able to pay for the pro version. So this is something that you can apply to your own account. Now, for instance, if you come over to your KuCoin, for instance, all right, so let's say we'll come over to our KuCoins, for instance, and you open up your KuCoin account. Now, if you come to the market space right here and you look for different apps, for instance, I want to basically like purchase, I want to purchase like TRS, all right, so I say TRX on KuCoin is basically selling for over $0.284, right? And you go to Gate.io, and once you get to Gate.io, now for Gate.io, you're basically coming over to this spot right here, and then you come to your trading section, and then you come here and type in TRX. Now you see right here that over to Gate.io is still selling at the same price right over here. If there is a slight change in this price, now if you use $100 to purchase this and send it over to any of this exchange that has bigger amount, you are making profit from it. So for instance, if I come to my account right here, you can see on the KuCoin section is 0.284, on the gate.io is also 0.283 right over here. All right. So within these small chances that they're basically giving each other, and you know that there's going to be 1% difference between these, you can basically make some changes. So this is about 0.72%, all right, on the gate.io, and this is about 0.66%, which you can basically see under right here. So these small exchanges are what you're going to be targeting, and this is not a get rich quick something. All right, so you basically need to devote your time into it, like give it time, try it out, master it before you get to make profit from it. Now you can use stable coins to basically do these things that I'm sharing with you guys right now. You can basically have TRS in your trust wallet, and once you buy TRS in your trust wallet, there's also going to be a price range in trust wallet, so you have to be very careful. So if you come to your trust wallet, there's going to be a price difference in trust wallet. So let me just say on my trust wallet, let me add up KuCoin right now. Let me click right here. Let me add up TRX, I mean. So if you come to your TRX section right here on your trust wallet, right, you have to basically, let me turn it on. Now, if I get to turn it on right over here, you're going to notice right here 0.077% or so. So you have to know where this is matching up with and where is higher than this, and then you can buy from the lower side and send over here, and you can basically sell it out. So these are just like step-by-step guide on how you can basically apply this to your own account.